Dried onions are a versatile seasoning. You can use them in recipes or to even have them as a snack. To make dried onion, first preheat your oven to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius. While the oven is preheating, prepare 2 baking sheets by lining them with parchment paper. Next, carefully cut the onions into thin slices, about 1/4 or 1/8 inch, 6.35 or 3.175 millimeter rings. The easiest way to slice onions like this is to use a mandolin. If you do not have one, slice the onions as thin as possible using your sharpest kitchen knife. Once the onions are cut, spread them into an even layer on the baking sheets. Place the onions in the oven and dry them for 6 to 10 hours, making sure to rotate the trays as needed to avoid burning. If possible, keep the door of the oven propped open with a 4-inch, 10-centimeter gap or so to prevent it from getting too hot. Remove them from the oven and check that they are done. When the onions are done, they will be brittle enough to crumble. If stored in an airtight container and kept in a dark, cool place like a pantry, they can last for up to 12 months.